Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to show you how to start selling on Amazon with only $50. Okay, so this is really going to be more of a retail arbitrage for beginners style video. But if you've never done retail arbitrage, just follow along. I'm going to explain it to you, how it works, how to do it, and how you can make money. And again, with only $50. Now, the way it works is you find stuff, you list it here on Amazon, you sell it. Okay, pretty simple. So let's say you come to a site like Target.com, or you go to an actual Target and you want to sell, I don't know, this Elmo, okay, this Tickle Me Elmo doll. That's great. You can buy this and you can potentially sell it. So what I would do is I would actually scan this with my phone. I'd take a smartphone and I'd scan the barcode. That's one way to do it. The other thing you can do, you can actually just put it right in here to Amazon. Okay, and so you see it's selling for $21.49 at Target, it's selling for $21 on Amazon. So you're not going to make any money. Okay, now obviously that's the basic understanding of it here. Let's dive a little bit deeper and I'm going to show you what I do and how you can make money as well. So this is a software, it's called Tactical Arbitrage. Now this software, it does cost about $100 a month. So again, I'm not showing you this to go and get it. If you want to go get this, great. There's a link in the description box below, and you can go and enroll in this. It's a monthly fee. But here's what I want to show you. So I use this software, and I go and I put in just the entire Target website. Okay, so all of Target, and this software will go and run the entire site and pull up items that are profitable. You can see over here how much I'm making. This is gross profit. Okay, and it's only bringing up stuff that's going to make me 32% or higher. That's what I set my filters at. So we're actually going to look at this product right here. Okay, this one, you can see it right here. The reason why we're going to look at this one is because it's a good example of something you can find at a Toys R Us store. Okay, here we are, toysrus.com. It's selling for $2.99. Okay, this crazy art, crazy slimy creations. One thing I just want to point out, Crazy Art is one of those brands that is very particular on who's selling their products. So if you haven't been selling for a while, which you probably haven't, don't go and sell this brand, because chances are they're going to send you an email and they want you to pull all their inventory. Okay, so it's selling for $2.99. At Amazon, it's selling for $9.75. So there's some room right there, right? Well, let's go over and look at the actual numbers. Okay, so it's actually, what was it, $9.75. $9.75 is what it costs. Cost of product is $2.99. Let's assume you're not paying any taxes or anything like that, so you can make 57 cents. Okay, that's with the new Amazon fees. You go with the old fees, you're making $1.10. Now the fees change on February 22nd, 2018, so there is a big difference there. Okay, just be aware of that. Okay, so new fees, you're making a lot less because it's a small product. Okay, but just understand, this is how retail arbitrage works. You go to a store, you find a product, you list it on Amazon, you sell it for more. Okay, sounds pretty easy, right? Well, let's go back to this. I'm gonna show you it's not all easy. Okay, let's go look at some other things. So here's something from Crayola. $4.99. It sells for, I'm guessing it's a 10 pack, so that's not right. Let's say this one right here, $4.99 from Toys R Us, and it sells for $14.65 at Amazon. So after their fees, which are $6.44, I would make $3.22 back, which is 65% ROI. Okay, which means return on investment. The reason why all this is important. Okay, now if you want some help, let me do this. If you need any additional help, this right here, this is my Amazon FBA exclusive membership group. It's $11.99 a month, and you get a lot of stuff into it. So you get weekly bolos, you get free online arbitrage lists. There's only 2 or 3 a week. You get guides, articles, monthly giveaways. I go and do questions and answers, a bunch of stuff. You can look into this. Okay, go to homemade/entrepreneur.com and you can see it there. But let's first talk about selling on Amazon. Why is this so important? For one, the reason why selling on Amazon is very easy is because you buy stuff from any store. It doesn't matter what the store is. I'm just using Target as an example because I really like Target. But let's say you went to Walmart, you went to Toys R Us, you went to Home Depot. It doesn't matter where you go, you can make money. Okay, so let's pull out the calculator. Let's look at this. So let's say, so on average, one of my new accounts, I get about $7.13 profit per item I sell. Okay, so $7.13. Let's say I sell 4 items a day. Okay, times 4. I'm gonna make $28.52 every single day. Okay, let's multiply that by 30 days in a month. I'm gonna make profit $855.60. Again, this is profit. So how much do I need to make that? Well, on average, I'm spending about, okay, I'm making $7.13 profit per item. I'm spending about, okay, this is rough. It's a rough estimate. I'm spending about $15 to $18 per product. Okay, so 13 divided by 18, is that how you do it? So I have a 39% ROI. Not bad. So let's say it's just 40%. So let's say I spend, let's say you spend $50 in the first month, times that by 40%, you would have $70 by the end of the month. Okay, then you multiply that by that again. 2 months, you got 98. 3 months, you got 137. 4 months, you got 192. 5 months, you got 268. 6 months, you got 376. 7 months, 527. 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, 11 months, 1 year in, you took that $50 investment and you are now at $2,834. That means you are continually reinvesting all that money back into the business. You only start with 50, you never take anything out, you put it all back in. The reason why this business works is simply because it can be scaled. You start with something very small, like, so I'm not saying go and buy this, I'm saying something like this would work. Okay, you buy something for $2.99 and you make, you know, $1 off it, 50 cents off it, whatever. Okay, now obviously something like this with the new fees right here, with these new fees, it doesn't make sense. With the old fees, it would be fine. I would spend $2.99 to make $1.10. I do that any day of the week. The reason why is because this product right here, at a 69,000 rank in toys, okay, you can kind of see the sales right here, 69,000 toys. Let's jump over to a website called Jungle Scout. Okay, it's called junglescout.com, and there you can see roughly how many items are selling per month. Okay, so here we are on Jungle Scout. Let's go down to toys. There it is. So toys, and it was at 69,000. Let's see how many estimated sales it has per month. Okay, it says 14. Okay, for one, I think that is extremely low because, well, this is pretty much just from experience. But you know, it says 14. So let's say you sell 14 in a month. Okay, 14 in a month, you make $1 per item. You make $14 from an item that costs $3. Okay, not bad. So that's really all it is. Okay, you take an item from a retail store such as Target.com. Okay, and you list it over on Amazon. Okay, so again, very simple stuff. It's just kind of like with eBay or like Facebook or Craigslist. You buy something, you mark it up, and you sell it. You make the difference. With Amazon, they do have fees. You can see that right here. Okay, they're old fees that we have right now. You can see it's $1.46 for their Amazon fee. This is selling on Amazon. This is just based off this price. And then you have the fulfillment fees, which this is, you know, broken down. Okay, storage, and you got the actual fulfillment fee, and there's different things in there. But you go to the new one, okay, right there, and so you still have that, and then you have a higher fee there. Okay, it went up, what, 53 cents? So it is what it is. But this is all it takes. So if you want to know how to sell on or how to start selling on Amazon, you just start with what I just showed you right now. Okay, find something at a local store such as a Target, a Walmart, a Home Depot, a Lowe's, something like that, and list it on Amazon. You can do this from your phone, or let's say say you have this item right here, all you have to do is come to the page on Amazon.com and click on Sell on Amazon. Now, what you need to understand, I don't think my account is actually approved to sell crazy art. Okay, so once you go, let's just click on something. So once you go and click on that Sell on Amazon button that I just showed you, what it's going to do is it's going to have you log into your Amazon seller account, and it's going to show you either a page like this, which means you are approved to sell that brand and that product, or it's going to say something like you need to request approval, and then you have to request approval. If that's the case, you can't sell that brand, okay? And then it gives you the conditions you can sell it in. Perfect. Okay, so that's all you got to do with that. So that's going to tell you, so hopefully with this video, if you've learned something, hit that thumbs up button. But hopefully with this video, you've learned what is Amazon FBA, kind of how does it work, where do you buy stuff. For example, let me go back here. This item is not on sale. Most people think you have to go to a site such as Target.com and look for the deals, look for clearance items. That is not the case. The majority of my items that I buy and sell doing retail arbitrage or online arbitrage, okay, the tool that I showed you right here, this tool, Tactical Arbitrage, which is in the link below, I think it's like you get like a 14-day trial for like $1 or something like that. So go try it out if you haven't used it yet. But this tool right here, this is me doing pretty much all online arbitrage. I buy these things from the stores like Toys R Us. I buy it, wait for it to get either to my house, to my office, or to a prep center. We package it all up. We prep it. We put our labels on, and we send it off to Amazon, and Amazon sells it. Okay, once it sells, then Amazon packages up and sends it off to the buyer. The reason why I love this business better than any other business for e-commerce is because I can take the tasks that I don't like to do, such as doing all the shipments. That's one of the reasons why I got out eBay, is because I don't have the time with all the other things that I run. I don't have the time to package up my new products, individually and ship them off to buyers. Especially if something sells for example, this one right here, it sells for $9.75. If I'm going to make 50 cents, do you think I want to package it up and do all that work, spend 15 minutes on it to ship it out for 50 cents? No, but I will send it off to Amazon and let them do it. But again, if you have questions on this, make sure you go join the group, okay? Join the Amazon FBA exclusive membership group. Again, $11.99 a month. You can cancel at any time. But this is going to show you, especially if you're new, this is going to give you kind of guidance and help getting into Amazon FBA, getting into the space, the business, and really setting things up, setting yourself up for success, not failure. Don't just jump in with your $50 and think, oh, I'm going to buy this and I'm going to sell it for, or where are we at? I went too far. Don't go here and say, okay, I'm going to sell it for this much and I'm going to make $1 off it, $2 off it. A lot of times people are losing money simply because they don't understand that Amazon does charge fees. Okay, Amazon charges fees, and they charge a lot of them. The fees itself could outweigh the whole profit of your item. If that's the case, don't buy it. Move on to something else. There are a lot of items I buy, even now, that I'm only making 50 cents or $1 on. But these items sell 10, 20, 30 items per day, and that's fine. But you gotta understand, I built up to that. When I first started out, I didn't care if I made, 50 cents on an item. If I was to make 50 cents on an item, I wasn't going to buy it. If I spent $10, I'd want to make $10 back. If I spent $20, I'd want to make at least $20 back. That's what I did in the beginning, and it worked out just fine. I was able to scale my business, learn the whole process, make more money in the time. But now, being that I'm buying a lot more, I'm doing a lot more other things, I'm fine making 50 cents, spending $1, making 50 cents, because I know I have that experience. But just getting in. Don't buy something like this crazy art glue, sell it for $9.75 and only come out making 57 cents. It's not worth your time, especially in the beginning when you're learning the business. You want to find high profit items that you can continuously sell. Okay, so again, if you guys have any questions on how to start selling on Amazon, using only $50, maybe $100, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, I understand the software that I'm using. It's great. It will work and makes things easier. But again, $100 a month, or roughly $100 a month, I understand it can be a little bit confusing, a little bit scary to spend that in the beginning. But Amazon is an awesome business. Amazon FBA. I've done a lot of Amazon FBA for beginner style videos, so go check some of those out here on my channel. But again, if you have questions, let me know. Okay, I've been doing this long enough. Understand the process, understand how to do it. It's something I continuously do every single day. I'm not just doing videos, I'm not just teaching you how to do it. Yeah, I have courses, I have students, I have the membership group right here, I have all that, but at the same time, while I'm teaching you, I'm still running the business. Okay, I'm not one of those that just I get out of the business and just do teaching. That's not me. I love this business. I do it every single day. I buy stuff online every single day, buy stuff in store, doing retail arbitrage probably 2 to 3 times a week. Always doing private label, still doing wholesale, buy liquidation pallets every once in a while, but again, you can get there. It just takes time. So hopefully this video taught you something. If it did, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more videos on Amazon FBA, private labeling, wholesale, retail arbitrage, and just running an incredible business online. And I'll see you guys on the next video.